thank you for being. Thank you for being. And for inviting us all to your party.
Except for a few people, and there are a few people who I'm missing today, but just about everybody in this room are the folks who really matter the most to me in this world. And they matter the most to me, and I include my fellowship friends, brothers and sisters in that, because in this gathering, in this little flock, if you will, let's just go with the images. In this little flock, we know one another. We know the beauty of each other, and we also know some of our warts together. Many of us have traveled this journey from the beginning of our lives. We know who you are, and you for certainly know who I am. And here we are on the top of this beautiful little mountain in this very simple sanctuary at a particular time and place, reflecting upon abundance.
Yeah, baby, let me show you. You got to dig. You got to dig it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And I would share with you that all the abundance in the world that we need is right here. It's next to you. It's behind you, it's in front of you, and Lord knows it is in you. It is in you.
Oh my God.
We all need to give out, based on the kindness and generosity of this weekend. This was all Sarah's idea for me to stand up and do this right now. So first, thank you, Sarah, for coming up with this
phenomenal idea. And thank you all for
idea.
coming to my surprise bachelorette party. It is phenomenal.
Super kind.
This is amazing.
But good idea, Sarah.
Cheers to a good night.
Cheers.
Cheers. Great job, John.
You did really good.
I have been deeply blessed by your gifts. You make my life abundant. And I hope in some way I add that back to you as well. I have come that you might have life and have it abundantly. Let's leave here today focusing happily and joyfully on what matters most, on the abundance that is given us by our God through our Lord Jesus Christ, an abundance that He gives to us in our hearts, an abundance that will only remain abundance if it is shared in love that creates love, in peace that creates peace, in joy that creates joy, in creativity that nurtures the creativity in each other. How do you measure a life?
Sarah, I got you something.
I would submit to you that our lives are rich. In Jesus' name, amen.
Ted Burkaw loves extravagantly. And I have been so the beneficiary of Ted's extravagant love, as has my family, as have his co-workers, as has this fellowship, as has his family from the very beginning. And so thank you for your extravagant love for all these 60 years.
Ready?
Yep.